Today, your guardian angel brings a message of profound meaning, illuminating the path of someone who holds a central place in your thoughts. At this very moment, he is immersed in an intense inner dilemma, an existential conflict that consumes him. He seems lost in a labyrinth of doubts and uncertainties, struggling to find a clear direction. A part of his essence, perhaps the most cautious one, is inclined to abandon everything you both have built together, closing the door that unites you once and for all. This decision is driven by the overwhelming force and emotional weight your relationship carries. After all, what you both shared wasn't just extraordinary, it was so profound that it often felt indescribable. However, his deepest essence, the part inexplicably tied to you, fights tenaciously to prevent you from drifting away from his life. Intriguingly, this connection goes beyond mere personal choices. It seems as though it was woven by the universe itself, the creation of an indissoluble cosmic bond. You are two intuitive souls, two beings who found and connected instantly, as if recognizing each other from past lives, eternally familiar with one another. The first interactions between you, deeply engraved in the chambers of memory, were nothing less than enlightening revelations, sacred moments that reshaped his life in immeasurable ways. Every word you spoke, every image you shared, every note of melody you sent had a decisive and formative impact on his worldview. These elements were not mere forms of communication, they were tools of profound emotional and spiritual transformation. This metamorphosis was marked by an impressive speed and intensity, as if the love blossoming between you was a living entity with the power to alter the reality around it. The force of this love was overwhelming, an energy so potent and captivating that it defied any attempt at rationalization or explanation through conventional logic. He often finds himself lost in daydreams, envisioning a future by your side at completely unexpected moments, whether in a casual gathering with friends or even while sharing laughter with other couples. In these instances, a sense of injustice envelopes him for not being by your side, as you represent the embodiment of all the desires and dreams he holds in the deepest part of his being. Your presence has an effect that goes far beyond the ordinary. There is something in your voice, in the way you express yourself, that breaks through all logical barriers, embedding itself in his mind like an unforgettable melody. This unique essence you carry manifests so deeply that memories of your initial interactions, filled with flirtations and meaningful connections, continue to reverberate in his consciousness. This echo, like a mesmerizing refrain, seems to resist time and distance, refusing to disappear or be silenced. He repeatedly finds that it is impossible not to think of you. His mind is incessantly occupied with thoughts of your presence, which seems to illuminate his entire existence. When you are not around, he notices that every aspect of his daily life, whether at work, in routine activities, or in personal moments, becomes noticeably duller and devoid of meaning. He often questions why he continues with these mundane tasks when all he truly desires is to be by your side. This feeling is accompanied by a deep sense of injustice. He cannot understand why, despite everything you both feel and share, you are forced to remain separated. It is as if the universe is manipulating the circumstances of your lives like pieces in a complicated and confusing crossword puzzle, where the answers always seem out of reach, and the solutions offered never lead to the expected outcome. Nevertheless, take comfort in the invisible presence of your guardian angel, who promises to calm the turmoil in your restless heart. Know that no matter how great the physical distance separating you at this moment, the love you share is a constant and indestructible force. It burns like an eternal flame, a deep connection that surpasses all conceivable boundaries, be they physical, emotional, or spiritual. This love between you is so powerful that it stands firm, unshaken by any adversity. In his personal journey, he has been intensely dedicated to a path of self-discovery and strengthening his self-confidence. This path was not chosen by chance. It was driven by the need to confront and reorganize aspects of his life that required fundamental re-evaluation, all with the aim of achieving greater serenity and a deeper peace of mind. The changes he has implemented are akin to a deep cleansing, removing the emotional debris and insecurities that once clouded his mental and emotional clarity. The dynamic between you, though profoundly enriching, has also been quite challenging for him. You occupy a central place in his universe, becoming the epicenter of everything he experiences and feels. Because of this intensity, there is an incessant repetition of thoughts and emotions that echo in his mind, a whirlwind that can sometimes feel overwhelming. You represent the center of all his most intimate yearnings, the true essence of his soul. Soon, when he gathers the courage necessary to reveal his true feelings and express himself with clarity and honesty, this brave act will mark the beginning of a new phase on the path of the love you share. This decision will not only demonstrate his strength, but will also solidify the foundation on which you can build a future together. You both have the habit of looking at the moon and thinking of each other. This gesture, although it may seem simple or even cliché to some, carries a deeply personal and intimate meaning for you. This practice has become a sacred part of your routine, a moment of silent connection even when separated by physical distance. At some point in the past, when you looked at the moon together, it was as if this celestial body became a bridge between your hearts, a silent witness to the depth and intensity of the feelings you share. He is in the final stages of preparing to make a crucial decision, the first decisive step toward reconnecting with you. This act will not just be a symbolic gesture, but a transformative moment that will alter the course of your lives profoundly and permanently. This reconnection promises to bring a calm yet intense energy, comparable to the anticipation of a storm whose distant thunder announces its imminent arrival. This crucial moment will be marked by the quiet but powerful strength of a rekindled love that, like a storm forming on the horizon, brings with it promises of renewal and change. The energy accompanying this reunion will be enough to reinvigorate your relationship, infusing it with a new life and a rekindled passion that you may have feared was lost. However, it is important to remember that the intensity of this experience is not just a dramatic aspect of the reunion. It serves as a vital reminder that the connection between you is exceptional. The depth and significance of what you share go far beyond trivialities and daily routines. This love possesses a rare quality, an essence that transcends the trivialities of everyday life and rises to something grand and profoundly meaningful. The pain that marked the difficult moments of your past now begins to dissipate, giving way to new hope and a rebirth of deep feelings that for a time seemed dormant. The word that best describes this moment is surrender, a complete surrender to the undeniable reality of a deep and persistent desire to be together. This desire transcends any attempt to move forward with others or deny the feelings that exist between you. It is a force that continually pulls you back to one another, resisting all attempts to be ignored or subdued. No matter how strong the attempt to divert the course of your hearts, the truth always manifests itself clearly. Both long for each other's presence, for that special bond that seems to have been forged in the stars and resists the test of time and circumstances. This unbreakable bond has roots so deeply intertwined in the fibers of your souls that attempting to ignore it would be like denying an essential part of who you are. This rebirth of feelings brings with it emotional clarity and a certainty that may not have been fully understood before. Now more than ever, it is evident that the connection you share is more than mere affection. It is a deep calling that neither of you can truly ignore. It is as if he cannot help but think of you, with his thoughts invariably finding their way back to your image in his mind, a constant reminder of the strength of this connection. However, what defines this connection is something deeper and more special, an essence that transcends mere physical attraction. It is a spiritual and emotional bond between two souls who understand and respect each other, without judgments about each other's spirituality, but with a celebration of this intimate dimension. He firmly believes that it was the universe or some divine force that guided your paths to cross, a faith that remains unwavering and profound. You have become the only person who has made him feel truly heard and seen, bringing calm to the internal storm that often invades those who are deeply spiritual. Day after day, he rises and follows his routine, working, fulfilling daily tasks, interacting with others, but he feels a palpable emptiness, a lack of meaning in all these activities without your presence. Everything becomes trivial and dull because you are not there to share these moments. He often imagines an ideal day by your side, envisioning walks hand in hand, moments of shared tranquility that to him represent a personal paradise, the full realization of all his dreams. In his most intimate thoughts, he even dreams of the possibility of traveling to your city, reaching your door, and with all the sincerity of his heart, simply saying, "I'm here. I never stopped loving you." Yet, even armed with this deep conviction of the love and connection you share, he cannot help but feel palpable fear. There is the fear that you may have forgotten him, the fear that your feelings for him are no longer the same, and the insecurity that perhaps his assumptions about the bond you share may be wrong. These concerns are deeply human and naturally arise when communication has been interrupted for a time. However, your guardian angel wishes to reassure you, reminding you that feeling fear under these circumstances is entirely normal and expected. Remember that the special connection that exists between you transcends the ordinary. It is a rare and precious flame that continues to shine, even when obscured by distance or silence. It is a bond that withstands time and adversity, remaining lit in both your hearts, a constant reminder of what is truly important and enduring. Soon, he will gather the courage necessary to take a decisive step toward you. He is preparing to open his heart, to speak honestly with you about his feelings and thoughts. This will be a significant moment of clarity and relief, an essential milestone in the journey you share. The transparency in this dialogue promises to further strengthen the bond that unites you, providing a deeper understanding and a more complete communion of your souls. You, in turn, have demonstrated exemplary patience, recognizing and respecting the time and space he needed for his personal journey of growth and self-discovery. This understanding has been a great source of comfort and gratitude for him, and he is deeply grateful for your sensitivity and continuous support. This patience has not only helped to keep the flame of love alive, but has also solidified the foundation upon which you can build a future together. Soon, despite his efforts to move on, to erase memories and suppress feelings, remember that you remain an essential part of his life. Even in moments when he tries to look away from the past, he closes his eyes and can clearly see your image. He daydreams of you, imagining a future where you are together, sharing joys and building a life side by side. Your guardian angel is always by your side, seeking to offer comfort and reminding you that temporary physical absence does not have the power to diminish the deep and true love that exists between you. The connection you share transcends ordinary understanding. It is something deeper, more spiritual and eternal. He has a fervent desire to provide you with a life full of beauty, joy, and happiness. This aspiration is not merely a distant dream but a goal he is willing to fight for with all his strength. If it were possible, he would not hesitate to move mountains or cross oceans just to be by your side at this exact moment. This intensity of feeling is what fuels his hope and determination, even on the darkest days. The message from your angel today serves as a powerful reminder that, despite the uncertainties life may bring and the separations that may arise between you, the love you share remains unwavering and pure. This love is a rare gem, a precious treasure that deserves to be valued and cared for with the utmost respect and dedication. It is not just a part of your lives but the very foundation upon which you can build a future together, filled with understanding, support, and mutual affection. So, as you contemplate the future and reflect on the past, keep the flame of this extraordinary love alive. Nurture it with tenderness, feed it with hope, and protect it against adversity, for it is a divine gift, a blessing that promises to enrich every aspect of your lives. Always remember that, regardless of the obstacles you may face, the love between you is an unbreakable bond, a link that unites you beyond time and space, strengthening and inspiring you to face any challenge together. Let your spirit absorb these words and allow them to resonate deeply within. The universe desires the best for you and will ensure a positive outcome, regardless of the choices you make. Type nothing and no one will stop me from following my destiny already set by God and confirmed by the universe, to claim this message and the blessings contained within. Let's spread positivity and kindness to each other, creating waves of good energy together. Did you know it's possible to have a vision of your soulmate? It could be someone you already know or someone who has yet to cross your path. Click the link in the description to get a portrait of your soulmate. Let's uplift each other and create waves of good energy together. Stay tuned for the next important message waiting for you in the next video. May God and the universe light your way with peace, love, and faith. Amen.